Village Underground, and shout out to everybody who's ever been on that stage at Village Underground. I know y'all know how tough it is to get up on that stage, but I definitely just would like to congratulate Miss Chrisette on all of her amazing accomplishments. I still consider myself a very fresh and green new artist. So from a new artist speaking on this stage, humbling myself before you, ma'am. You are one of the most underrated voices, underrated writers, and I know that this next year coming up for you is going to be the best that you've ever seen. And as we all know, there it is. Okay, can I get an amen?
Amen.
All right. I'm so happy and humbled to be a part of this and be a part of this night, be a part of this moment celebrating you and this Audrey Hepburn project. And I cannot wait to hear more from you. I can't see you, I don't know where you are, but I'm looking. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm being born again with this life coming into the world. So, congratulations, much love to you, and much continued success. And I can't wait to meet you, have up here and do a little more scat. I'm gonna go sit in the back with my sore throat ass and just wait, watch and learn, taking notes over there in the corner, okay? All right, I love you, thank you.
Thank you, President. Give it up for